So we had to back in from the street. There's another ATS truck right there. Shit. I don't know exactly what I'm taking, but crane was already here. Literally just pulled in right now. See what we're taking. Oh, I got stuck. Let's go. Alright guys, well, we just finished. This is the little load that we're taking back to Texas. Nothing too crazy. There's another driver right there, another one getting loaded over there. But we are out. We're done here. I was just taking off the hook that they used to get me out because the entrance is all iced out and stuff. So I got stuck, couldn't get out. So they had one of the guys. Oh man. I think y'all saw it. I think I showed a little bit. They had one of the guys use their freaking nice ass Dodge and to get me out. So yeah, but anyways, let's finish up here and get on the road because I'm trying to get home as fast as possible. I think I'm going to be able to make it for a little bit of my son's birthday party, but we'll see. Hopefully everything goes good. So let's go. We're pulling in right here to this this rest area. We've been driving for like about an hour, something like that, hour and a half. We're just gonna check our load real quick, make sure everything's still tight, and keep going because I don't plan on stopping after this. Probably like maybe like the next, I don't know, 2-3 hours if everything's still tight, and it means it's not moving, so it's pretty good. So yes, yerskis. Let's get this checked. Hopefully everything's still pretty tight, and we'll get out of here. All right, let's go check. Oh yeah. This one's probably tighten a little bit. That's good. Oh man. Okay, those are loose. That's good. All right. Tighten that and this one. But let me go get my jacket. All right, let's get out of here. Well, guys, it's the next day. Already about to be nighttime. As y'all can see the beautiful sunset over there in the state of Texas. We finally made it home. Not home yet. I'm still about 3 hours away. Yep, 3 hours away from the house. So we are just taking our 30-minute break right now. I'm about to go check the straps and all of that, make sure it's still tight, and keep on going. So we're not done yet. We're 14 minutes. We have about another 16 minutes left. It was a crazy drive over here, as y'all saw from probably the previous video. I don't know how much I've recorded. A lot of freaking trucks that were on the side of the road that had crashed in the snow or with the ice and all of that. It was crazy. First time I've ever seen that. Do I want to do it again? No, I don't. I hope I stay down here. I don't have to go up there again, but I'm most likely going to. But yeah, guys, that's how it went, and that's how our first time in the snow was. So if y'all enjoyed, guys, please. Well, guys, as y'all can see, I decided to continue the video. I saw that a lot of people were saying that they wanted longer videos. The video was pretty short, so here we are. We're just waiting for our 34 hours to be done. See right there, almost done. But yes, we are gonna go unload. Well, y'all know what it is. We're gonna go unload. It's about an hour and 30 minutes from here. So yes, and we might be coming back home. I'm not sure. I do have to go back to the hospital. I've been in the hospital the whole time that I've been here for some family stuff. But we will see what happens. Honestly, I have no idea. But I'm gonna take y'all along to get this unloaded. Yo, oh yeah, I can't see it because it's all wet. But the guy that pulled me out is right there. So yeah, we're here at the place where we're gonna unload. We've been here for I don't even know, 4 hours and 20 minutes that we've been here. There's another truck over there. That's the ATS truck that loaded up right after me. But yeah, we've been here waiting because there was lightning and thunder, so the crane couldn't operate. I guess that's what they were saying. The crane literally just got here. It's right there. But yeah, man, we're still waiting. I'm about to, as soon as the crane starts moving, getting him unloaded, I want to unstrap everything on mine, and just so I can be ready and I can head out of here. Guys, we're finally gonna get unloaded here. I'm just gonna start it back up right now, and yeah, the other ATS truck, they already finished. That was my turn. I was just unstrapping everything. I wasn't sure if I was even gonna be able to unload today, but yeah, we were able to. So